Let's sit with our spine erect. We'll chant Om 3 times. 3 दफा ओम का उच्चारण करेंगे. Let's take a long deep breath in for Om. ओम के लिए लंबी गहरी सांस भरें. Feel the sensations of Om within you and outside of you. ओम की संवेदनाओं को अपने भीतर और बाहर महसूस करें. And slowly, whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. Breathe in. Exhale, take your neck on the right ear touching the right shoulder. Breathe in center, exhale on the left. श्वास भरें, बीच में आए, श्वास छोड़ें, दायां कान दाएं कंधे से मिलाएं. श्वास छोड़ें, बीच में आए, श्वास छोड़ें, बायां कान बाएं कंधे से मिलाएं. Breathe in, come to the center. Exhale here. Breathe in again. Take your neck back. Press it on your upper back. Exhale, chin to the chest. Push your forehead towards the chest. श्वास भरें, गर्दन पीछे, उसको पीठ पे दबाएं. श्वास छोड़ें, थोड़ी छाती मिलाएं. माथे को छाती की तरफ लेकर जाएं. And continue. And start the neck rotations. Breathing in, take your neck back. Exhale, forward and down. Opposite side. Relax, completing your round. Breathing in, take your hands back hold the right fist with your left hand like this. So breathing in, lift up your chest, take your neck back, push your stomach towards the front of the screen. Exhale, arch your back, interlock your hands and push the palms away from the body. Take your head towards your navel. Breathing in, take your hands back, lift up your chest and your neck. Exhale, arch your spine. You can keep your hands like this or maybe out, palms facing the camera or the wall. And breathe in, take your hands back. Exhale. श्वास भरें, छाती आगे की तरफ, श्वास छोड़ें. Arch your back, pull the navel in, head towards the navel. Your ears touching your biceps from the sides. And one more time, breathe in. Exhale. and relax your hands. Breathe in, exhale, twist on the right, both the hands on the floor. The hand which is behind is close to your spine. Keep the spine erect. Breathe in, come back to the center, exhale, twist on the left, keep the spine erect. श्वास भरें, बीच में आए, श्वास छोड़ें, दाएं तरफ मुड़ जाइए, हाथों को जमीन पे रख सकते हैं, रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी रखें, पीछे मुड़ के देखें, लुक ओवर योर राइट शोल्डर. श्वास भरें बीच में, श्वास छोड़ें बाएं तरफ. Pull your navel slightly in. नाभि को थोड़ा अंदर की तरफ खींच के रखें, हल्के से. And come back to the center after completing this round. Come on all fours. Get your wrist below the shoulder. Breathing in, twist your hip towards the right. Look over your right shoulder at your hip. Form a nice C. Breathe in, come back to the center. Exhale. Take your hip towards the left. Look over your left shoulder. And come back to the center. Continue. Center, sit on your heels and lie down in Shishuvasana. If your forehead reaches the floor, good. If it doesn't, that's also good. You can make a fist one top of each other and place your head there. Sitting on the heels is important. अपनी एड़ियों पे बैठ जाएं, शिशुआसन में विश्राम करें. Breathe in, normal breaths, expand the whole body and your mind. Exhale, crease your forehead on the floor, relax your heart and mind. श्वास भरें, पूरे शरीर फैल रहा है, ऐसा महसूस करें. श्वास छोड़ें, अपने हृदय को, अपने मन को विश्राम दें. One more breath in with a smile. Exhale. Now walk your palms away from the body as much as you can. You can keep your elbows on the floor or not, that's alright. And once it reaches the maximum, spread your fingers, push the palms down, tuck your toes, lift your hips up. Come in Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward dog. Let's walk the dog here. Lift the heels one by one. Make an attempt to touch the heel on the floor. With the inhalation, push the hips up. With exhalation, push your armpits towards the floor. This is a relaxing pose, so your weight should be on your calf muscles, not on your arms. And if you're not feeling it there, let's walk the dog and see if we can get a nice balance. And once you feel the balance, you may stop. Keep breathing. Breathe in, exhale. Go forward into the plank or the dandasana. Every muscle of the body is being used here. Exhale, Adho Mukha, downward dog. Swans bharein, dandasana mein jaiye. Make sure your body is in one straight line. Neck is in line with the spine. Swans chhode, Adho Mukha. Breathe in, go forward. Exhale. And slowly get your knees down. Sit in Vajra Asana. Relax your mind. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the effect of the warm-up on your mind and body. One more exercise we are going to do. Let's take the right leg forward. Sit in between your heels. Breathing in, lift your hands up. Lengthen through the spine. Exhale, go forward. Keep your hands on your toes or your leg or your shin on the floor, wherever it is coming comfortably. Breathing in, let's take our hands up again. Lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward. Stretch the spine as much as you can. Breathe in, up. Exhale. and breathe in up. Exhale, drop your hands on the sides gracefully and beautifully. Let's do it on the other side. Fold the right knee and extend the left leg. बाईं टांग को आगे कीजिए. Sit in between or next to your heel, in fact. Breathe in, lift your hands up, the toe is pointing up. Exhale, forward. Breathing in, up. Lengthen through the spine. Exhale, forward. श्वास भरें, रीढ़ की हड्डी लंबा. Exhale, श्वास छोड़ें, आगे और नीचे आए. One more time. Breathe in, up. Exhale. And this time, breathe in, lengthen the spine. Exhale, drop your hands on the sides. That was a nice forward bend exercise. Janu Shirshasana. Come in Vajrasana. Let's get ready for the 3-stage pranayam followed by meditation. And have a great day.